Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Barry County, southwestern Lawrence County, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Purdy, or near Monette, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Monette, Pierce City, Purdy, Verona, Freestadt, Pleasant Ridge. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Oh my god.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors,
I missed 2 severe thunderstorm
or
warnings.
in a vehicle, move to the closest
But not a
substantial
tornado.
shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
God.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri, Barry and Lawrence. The National